Hello Mzansi, welcome to Asikhulume with Pro. I hope you stay, I hope you fall in love, and I definitely hope you hit that subscribe button. Congratulations are in order to Asavela Mqokiyana as Mokela has welcomed her first baby, guys, and it's a girl. Hamba lapha ku Instagram uvalisa kujabula ngalesikana post picture ye face yemntwana ke guys, but abonakala mlomo with a sweet caption, guys. Mntwana Asavela umthole mhla tingu-18 yes September kani wabhala nje ne-caption lenhle laphana, this is her mouth, guys, and balabaningi guys bamjabulele ngendlela lesimanga njengoba basho nabo ukuthi congratulations to girl. Welcome to motherhood. This is the end of my video. Please subscribe, share this video, comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm signing out. Goodbye.